are pleased to show you the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.